And welcome back to CTF Walkthroughs. I'm your host, Callie Surfer, and this morning I tried to solve this box called Return on HackTheBox during a live stream, and I hit pretty much every possible issue. My Kali VMs were crashing like crazy. I used Evil WinRM to get a shell on the target, but it was extremely slow and unresponsive. And also my netcat binaries weren't executing properly on our target. So all three of those things led to a complete meltdown, and I had to end the stream and promise the viewers out there that I'd create a full-length CTF walkthrough video where I show from beginning to end the entire hack, including both flags, and all the way through to the NT system authority user on the Windows box. So I have ditched Kali for now, and I just installed a fresh copy of Parrot. So Parrot OS is another Linux distribution that's designed specifically for penetration testers. This one is aimed a little more at novice pen testers just getting into the game and learning to use good habits while executing pen tests. So I've used Parrot before. It's pretty similar. There are some graphical differences and some things under the hood, but more or less it has the same general tools and you can install all the same stuff. So without further ado, let's get into it and let's hope that Parrot does a better job than Kali did this morning. Here we go. Listen closely. Okay, let's check our settings. And now, so if you're not familiar with a Passback Attack, what we're going to do here is hijack the server address and put in our own server. So our attack box IP, we'll set up a netcat listener and we'll catch the password in plain text because we're using LDAP protocol here, which is not encrypted. All right, let's open a new tab here. And we'll call this one Passback. Let's set up a netcat listener. We'll do it on port quad 8s. And we want to check, let's see. Man, I wish I could do the subterminals. Let's check our IP. We are 10.10.16.8. Okay, we'll close that one when we can. Oh, got a little bit of freezing going on. That's not a good sign. Could indicate that something with my hard drive could be the issue, because this happened on all the other VMs. Let's pause for a moment while I work this out. And I'm back up and running after a reboot. I have my Passback up and running, listening on port quad 8s. We've got our IP for the HackTheBox VPN tunnel. Here's where we're going to inject our IP. Oh yeah, and we want to listen on 389. So let me cancel this out. And we don't want to toy with that port just in case there's any kind of permission denied. Try sudoing. Okay, now it works. And let's click update and see if we can catch it. Oh, and we did. Here's our plain text password. Our username is svc tac printer. Let's copy that. And over here, we'll call this notes, this tab. Let's make dir HackTheBox, and we'll make dir. This is called return. We'll use Vim to just create a notes file. Let's drop our credentials in here. svc tac printer. All right, so we got our ncat binary, ncat.exe into place. Let's see if it works. I'm not sure why I'm getting these object not found errors here. Maybe it has to do with my evil WinRM shell not being good enough to behave here. Not sure. But let's go ahead and try hijacking a different service. So there was one called VM Tools, I believe. Let's see, here it is, VM Tools. So let's see if we can borrow that. Go back down here. And just change the name of the service here to VM Tools. And let's use our new ncat binary that I just uploaded from our Parrot Attack box. Okay, good. It actually did change the path there. So if we check services now, we should see that it's in there. And it is there. So we can now do scexec stop VM tools. Okay, now I'll do sc.exec and start VM tools. And over here I have our listener ready on 1, 2, 3, 4. Did it work? It did not. It did not. So I think I need to look into that error. Let's see. I think this is the error I need to troubleshoot. All right, let's go over to Google and we'll check this out. What do our friends on the internet say? Just calling that cat with its path. Okay, so I guess it's just a path problem. Let's see. Okay, let's see if we just do nc what happens. Same error. Okay, how about if we do the full path? Users, svc printer, documents, netcat.exec. Doesn't work. What about the 64? And what if we do netcat.exec? Okay, that one actually works because it says you must specify a host to connect to. So that's our possible golden ticket going forward here. Let's modify that path one more time on VM tools. Here it is. Oh. And look, it actually has the full bin path there. Okay. So that should work, but it didn't work. Services. Let's see. So VM tools, we've got the full path e. Oh, we forgot to put cmd.exe to send the shell. So let's add that in there right before the, actually right after the tac e. That's where we want the command.exe. And see if we catch it here. Do we catch it? Success. Oh, right, we didn't start it yet. So we want to do stop VM tools and then start. Start VM tools, and now we should catch it. See if we catch it here. Uh-oh. It didn't start in a timely fashion. No! Let's try our other binary. So what we're doing here is we're trying to catch a shell as the root user on port 1234, but we're having problems because it says the service did not respond or control request in a timely fashion. What if we do, let's just try firing this command line here off, and we'll see if we can spawn a rev shell just as who we are here, just to test it, to see if our weak point is it our binary or is it something else? And so that one doesn't work. We do have our IP. Our IP is incorrect. That's why I'm sending it to the target this whole time. All right, so we just need to put our IP here, which is, let's see, what are we at? We're at 16.8. All right, let's put that back up, our listener, and here we'll just paste in our correct IP, and now we should be able to do it. So we just modified the VM tools bin path. Let's stop VM tools, and then we'll try to start VM tools and see if we catch it this time. Hey, we caught it. That was really fast. Who am I? We are NT authority, so we just escalated our privileges up to the system authority. Let's see if we can grab our root file now. Let's see. Always forget if the users is here or back a step. I think it's back a step. It's a slow shell. It says it failed again. Huh. Okay. Let's cancel that one out. Listen again. And here, we'll just fire this off one more time. Catch our root. And let's see if we can go into users. Users. And there should be an administrator here. And it's probably going to be in the desktop. That's usually where in these CTF challenges where they hide the root flags. Okay, and this is a really unstable shell. So I'm going to have to go really quickly because this process seems to be crashing. So let's prepare our command. We'll just say, let's say I'm going to use a cat. We'll do C users administrator desktop, and we'll say root.text, and actually we're in Windows, so we need to do type to print it to our screen. So let's go ahead and copy this. All right. And next we're going to spin up our listener again. Let's fire off this. We should catch it here. And then we'll just put in that command, and we got our root flag, no problems. Let's get our street cred here on the right. Oh. Should take that. Yeah. All right. And we need to get our user flag as well. So let's go into users SVC printer. And we're already frozen up here. So let me go back a step, spawn our root shell again, and actually we don't even need to be here we go. Users SVC printer desktop, and we'll do type user.text. And here's our user flag. We could have done that from evil WinRM too, without the need to do it super fast. But we got it. In any case, we are good to go here. So we just got our street credentials. Thanks for watching this walkthrough. This one had some hangups, but in the end we pulled through. We got both flags, and we were able to abuse a binpath setting on a service on the Windows box so that we are able to catch a reverse shell as the NT system authority on the box and then get our final shell, our final flag. So that's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube for more full-length CTF walkthrough videos and shorts on hot topics in ethical hacking and pen testing. That's it for today. See you later. Bye.